At Swan, we offer the ultimate solution in bathware for hospitality and student housing development. Our Swanstone bath products are engineered to perfection, providing beautiful design and unmatched durability and longevity for high-traffic areas. Like diamonds, Swanstone products are made using a unique compression molding process involving intense heat and pressure. The thermoset material blends polymer resins, fillers, and reinforcement additives, creating a hard and non-porous surface that contributes to a healthy indoor environment. Swanstone is easy to maintain and is impervious to damage from common household elements, such as harsh cleaners, hair dye, and nail polish. And unlike other solid surfaces that are cast, Swanstone is resistant to cracks, mold, and mildew, making it people-friendly and safe to use. Our product is perfect for high-traffic areas, offering incredible impact resistance that's up to 10 times stronger than any other cast polymer in the industry. With Swanstone, you get a renewable surface that can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees, making it perfect for hospitality and student housing development. So, if you're looking for a durable and innovative solution with a premium design, upgrade your facility today with Swanstone. Explore our bathware solutions at swanstone.com and introduce outstanding performance to your next commercial project.